Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be all about Amazon. I love Amazon. I order practically everything off of Amazon. I am an Amazon Prime member, so I do get the free 2-day shipping, or you know, all the other benefits that comes along with it. I absolutely love it. So today I decided to do a video on my most recent Amazon haul / Amazon finds. These are things that I found on Amazon. So if you want to see what I got from Amazon, please keep watching.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so the first thing that I did get was this baseball hat. It's not just a baseball hat because I am natural, of course. Most hats don't fit me, and if it does, I have to wear my hair in a low ponytail. And then I have a big head, like my head's pretty big, so most hats don't fit me. So I did find this one, and it came in burgundy, gray, and I think another color, but I just got the burgundy one. This is so cute on. You just put it on and then you puff or whatever it is. Shows in the back. I'll insert a clip of me wearing it here. And it looks so cute. It's so feminine, so cute. And I don't know how much I paid for this. I don't really remember, but it wasn't that expensive. So yeah, I got this half baseball cap, and it's super duper cute. So I got this from Amazon. It's the first thing I found, and I will link the things that I found down below, so you can be able to just click on the link and it'll take you straight to the item if you want to purchase it, or if you just want to, you know, check it out, look at reviews, whatever you want to do. Whatever floats your boat, I will link it down below, so just be sure to check the description box. The next thing I found was this. This is a mount for my vehicle. So I stick this actually on the mount, and so this right here is where my phone goes. So I have an iPhone here, so you basically just take it and it's magnetized, so you just put it there, and then while you're driving you can be able to, you know, you shouldn't be FaceTiming while you're driving, but while you're driving you can be able to, you know, look at your phone, scroll through music or whatever the case may be, and it stays on. So if I want to vlog, I can, you know, turn it to the side and vlog with this. I'm excited, very excited to have this. And of course you just take this off and apply it to your dashboard, and while you're driving you can have this. So I got this little hands-free magnetized thing. It came with a magnet, but my magnet is inside my case, so you just, you know, put it on there and take it out. So the next thing I got is kind of random, but a pitcher. It's not just a regular pitcher, it's a fruit infusion pitcher. So basically, if you want to drink like infused water, instead of me putting like my lemon, strawberries, mints or whatever just inside my water floating, you put it into this little nozzle. So you undo it like this and you take it off, and then all of the fruit goes inside here. So you unscrew it, you put the fruit inside here, so the fruit stays inside here and it seeps through these little holes here. You close it back up, and then you put it in the pitcher, and you put it in the refrigerator, so you can just, you know, keep refilling your water and reusing the fruits that's inside of it. I plan to make me some infused water for my meal prep tomorrow, so I'll, you know, it's gonna insert a clip of me using it here too. But I'm excited about this, and you probably can find this at Walmart, but when I go to Walmart I never think to look for this type of thing, so that's why I like ordering certain things from Amazon. And plus I get it in 2 days instead of me having to keep looking for or going to Walmart just for a specific item. I get this shipped to my door, then go to Walmart for the other stuff that I need. So the last 2 things I brought on Amazon is around the keto diet. As you recently know, I had a baby last September, so she just turned 10 months old. So I have been breastfeeding the whole time, and I have not been able to lose weight since I have started breastfeeding. So I'm going to stop breastfeeding within the next, you know, 2 or 3 weeks. I plan to. My doctor gave me the green light to stop breastfeeding, but it's me. I haven't stopped yet. It's a bond that I just really can't. I'm not ready to let go, because I know that she's my last daughter, so my last child, period. I don't know. I'll get ready to stop when I'm ready to stop. And hopefully in 2 or 3 weeks. Anyways, so while I was on Amazon, I made a decision to go ahead and start the keto diet. I started keto about 2 weeks ago, and then I stopped it. Like I did it for a week. I lost some weight, and then I went back to my regular routine, eating, you know, carbs and everything else that I see in sight. So to help keep me on track, I ordered some Keto Strips. So you basically just urinate on this this little wand. I'll take one out for you. and show you. You just basically urinate on one of these little wands here, and then they change colors, and it depends on which color your urine is how much ketones you have in your urine. So this kind of helps you keep on track so you can know how much ketones are in your urine to let you know if you're in ketosis or not. Now, I don't know how safe it is to do it while you're breastfeeding, so I did it for a week, but then it's like my old conscience was on me like, oh my god, what, she's not getting enough nutrients, you know, the breast milk and all that. So being that I'm about to stop breastfeeding, I'm going to have everything that I need to not have make any excuses to really giving keto a true try. So I got me some keto strips. I heard you can buy these in the store in the diabetic section, but like I said, I don't want to go to Walmart for just one thing, so I order what I don't want to go to Walmart for just for one thing. I order them on Amazon, and it's cheaper usually, so I got that. And last but not least, I got, of course, with the keto diet, it's a high fat, low carb to moderate protein diet. So on the diet, the thing you have to do is eat a lot of fat, like a lot of coconut oil, a lot of butter, a lot of ghee, a lot of oils. So for me to make my bulletproof coffee, I needed MCT oil. So I ended up ordering this MCT oil powder instead of it being the oil, because it's gonna take a lot to get my mind together to realize that, you know, I need a lot of fat. I've always been trained to not eat fat, so to put oil in my food and oil in my coffee is going to be a lot. So I figured I would get the powder instead of the actual oil and put the powder inside of my coffee instead of the oil, and so hopefully it'll dissolve and not have like this separation between oil and water. I don't know. I'm going to see how that goes. So I heard good things about this brand. I got this off of, you know, of course, Amazon as well. So I'm going to try this, and it says it's perfect for shakes and coffee. So... And I also got some sugar off of Amazon too, but I don't have the sugar with me. It's like, it starts with the E, some kind of E something sugar. It's a sugar substitute. Instead of stevia, you can use that. So I got that as well. So I think I'm kind of keto ready, besides like the butter, the grass-fed butter. I'll get that later. But anyways, I don't want this to turn into a keto, you know, video. But that's why I ordered this stuff, to start keto and to start my meal prep and start my, you know, healthier eating, to lose the baby fat and the weight and all that stuff. So I hope I can do it and stick to it. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, these are just a couple things that I found on Amazon. Like I said, I order a lot of things. I ordered Mila's clothes off of there. She's gotten plenty of, you know, little cute outfits from Amazon. Pretty much anything that I need I can find on Amazon. So I love Amazon. Now, this video is not sponsored. They don't even know who I am. So I'm just doing this because I truly like videos like this, to see what other people find on Amazon, so I can buy the stuff too, because everybody's buying stuff off of Amazon. So yeah, that's why I made this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.